Welcome back to the Kings of Cricket. Yes, we are building up to World Cup 2011 with the legends of the game. Now, these are legends in their lifetime, but they're also people who even today's India can identify with, particularly a certain Imran Khan in a way. Bipasha Basu is one of the stars of Bollywood, and Imran, she has a very special message for you when we spoke to her a short while ago. Listen in.
Imran Khan's hot. Imran Khan's hot. I think we have grown up, and I remember, you know, like everyone, like the ladies in our house, while we were growing up and watching cricket, from my mom to everyone used to go gaga about Imran Khan, and definitely, you know, as we were growing up also, we all think unanimously that he is extremely good looking and hot.
Now, you know, as the president of the Tehreek-e-Insaf.
Well, thank you, Bipasha. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you got to say thanks to her, but
at least she said my mother, not my grandmother.
Come on. But Imran, much hasn't changed. When you came in 1979, he was your roommate, Zahir Abbas. Are those stories true about all the Bollywood actors and actresses who were trying to court him? Are they true or not?
Bipasha, she is
100%
right.
All the actresses.
100% right. He was the hot person.
He was the hot person in 1979. Are you going to tell us those stories? Because in his book he keeps denying it.
No,
Zahir and I, we have selective memory. Yeah. We have amnesia. Yeah. We've forgotten everything about our past, haven't we, Zahir?
You know, but you know, it's not just, you know, Viv, you're smiling away. You're still the best dressed guy, Viv, that there's around, and you had your share.
The coolest.
And the coolest, and you had your share of admirers in Bollywood as well.
Not just Bollywood.
Not just Bollywood and beyond.
I think I stuck to one bone.
One dog, one man.
But you know,
I stuck to one bone. I was like that dog.
Man out. Very quiet.
Alan, you're being made out to be this working class hero.
Very quiet man on tour.
Well, is that only an appearance?
Compared to these guys.
Compared to these guys?
Very quiet.
I don't believe that you went home every day at 10 a.m.
And I don't believe this one bone bit, by the way.
You don't believe Viv Richards one. But, you know, at the end of the day, has that changed in the game? You know, you guys had a lot of fun off the field. Not just, you know, with the ladies of Bollywood, but in general. Has that changed in the game, you think? I'm going to ask this very quickly to all of you. We're running out of time. Imran?
Well, I don't think I would have been able to sustain this sort of traveling cricket. Ours was you had much more time in between to sort of live.
To live. Extracurricular activities, Viv? So, Viv?
I'm going to tell you something. With the one room that's provided to a player now, they should get more done.
In the sense, you guys had to share rooms. Today's players have a room.
So which means that if someone was going to go on, which you either had to get your partner, send him out for a little while, or make sure that you made sure he was comfortable in the bathroom or somewhere.
Okay,
like
this is a family channel. This is a family channel. But final word to you, Alan. Do you believe today's cricketers don't have as much of fun off the field as you guys had?
I think it's because of the professionalism and the expectation when you're earning so much money that you know, you've got to be very professional. Ice baths, the deal with the media, the physiotherapists, you know, all the extra stuff that you've got to do round the cricket team.
Okay, today's cricketers have ice baths. We know what you guys did to relax. We leave it at that. Alan Border, Imran Khan, Sir Viv and Zahir Abbas. It's been a pleasure having you on the Kings of Cricket. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, with many more, including an Indian legend who's joining us. We're building up to World Cup 2011. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.